Hi students, I welcome you again to the video on the textual grammar of C reading VVS Lakshman, very special. Let's discuss the glossary that was used in the lesson C reading. Wavelength. Wavelength, when the lesson opened, this was the first word. Treat success and failure on the same wavelength. The meaning of this is that on a same accord, in same accord, or the distance between two waves of energy. There is a meaning in science. Same wavelength, equally, equal height of waves. That is the meaning of a wavelength. And I just used in a sentence. He and I seem to be operating on a different wavelength. Next word, consistently. He was performing consistently. It is important, he said, to perform consistently. Okay, meaning in a way that does not change. Another usage in newspaper articles, she consistently criticized in authority. Next, call it a day. Call it a day means to stop what you're doing, to decide to stop what you're doing. Okay, VVS Lakshman called it a day from international cricket. I am getting a bit tired. Let's call it a day. That means let us stop it. That is the meaning of this, call it a day. To stop what you're doing. Okay. VVS Lakshman said, he did not say. He decided to call it a day from international cricket. Another usage, I'm getting a bit tired now. Let's call it a day. That means let us stop it. Ahead of. In front of someone or something, or before. Okay, another word we can take here, the before. Ahead of two test series. That was the line that was used in the lesson. And usage is he could not see the road ahead of him. Next, fabulous. VVS Lakshman was a part of fabulous batting lineup. That was the sentence from the lesson. And the meaning of this one is very good, excellent. Usage, she looked absolutely fabulous in her dress. Next, culminated. It culminated in 16 long years. That was the sentence, part of the sentence from the lesson. Culminate means reach the highest point, reach climax. That is the meaning of culminate. The usage here, their many years of research have culminated in a cure of the disease. Glare. Okay, VVS Lakshman in his interview said it's very easy to be recognized or to get recognition because of a media glare. That is the meaning. That is the sentence. Meaning is public attention or focus. If anyone does any extraordinary thing or excellent thing, that person is focused by the media, print media, electronic media. Okay, but there is another meaning of this word glare, to look at somebody angrily. Okay, that's not the meaning. That is not the context, the meaning that is used in this lesson. Next, usage of this glare. It is easy to become famous nowadays because of media glare. Okay. Next, reckon. To think or believe. I reckon it's going to rain. I think it's going to rain is same as that one, reckon. Emerge. Okay, in the interview, VVS Lakshman was asked by the Sports Star magazine. Okay, every time you try to emerge as a giant, there were always some things that dwarf your efforts. That was the meaning, sentence of sentence that is used in the lesson. Emerge. Emerge to appear by coming out of something. Okay, usage. She emerged from the sea. Next, dwarf. To make something look smaller. New Vision will dwarf all other schools with its results. That means to make it small, make it look small. Traits. VVS Lakshman in his interview said that they have traits of a leadership. That means qualities. Okay, with this meaning, another sentence is arrogance is a very unattractive personality trait. Arrogance means being proud. It's a very unattractive personality trait. That means unattractive personality quality. Collide. Okay, you don't need much explanation because you have seen the video of Saurav Ganguly and VVS Lakshman colliding in their effort to take a single. That means to hit something violently, collide. Okay, this word can be used at several occasions. Even when two vehicles hit each other. Okay, that is also called collision. Noun form of collide is collision. Okay, the two vans collide at the crossroads. Embarrass. Okay, remember the pronunciation of this word. It is not embarrass, which is most people pronounce. Embarrass. Embarrass means to cause someone feel nervous or uncomfortable. Okay. See, he was embarrassed. VVS Lakshman was embarrassed about that incident of collision, colliding with Saurav Ganguly. The usage. I didn't want to embarrass her in front of her friends. Okay, this is the usage. And a well knit. Well knit means closely joined together. VVS Lakshman had the well knit family. Is a part of well knit family. The usage of this is the two communities are well knit by a common faith. That means these two communities have come together, joined, okay, by common faith. They have something in common for both of them. That's why, okay, they are well knit. That are closely joined. So that is the end of a glossary and usage of VVS Lakshman. Very, very special. Let's move on. The following is very important. Of course, this also is very important from the examination point of view. Okay, usage may not be asked in the examination, but just for the language development, I have given the usage. But this word meaning is very important for the examination point of view. Right. This glossary. Also, this is a part of glossary. This also all three points are very important. Synonyms, antonyms are very important for the examination point of view. So you have to pay attention and listen and learn them. Word consistently. Okay, we'll not discuss much because we have already discussed the context. And now the synonym of this consistently is steadily. Steadily. Antonym is inconsistently. This is what you will be asked in the examination. So it's very important that you learn them, remember, and put into practice. Okay, contemporary. Contemporary means synonym. There are two synonyms: present or current. Antonym is past or old. Right. Fabulous. Synonym is astonishing or excellent, and the antonym is ordinary. Culminate, climax. Okay, in the above discussion, in the above box, we have discussed this word, and synonym is climax or end, and the antonym, opposite word, is a beginning or a commence. That is the antonym of that. Next, immensely. Immensely, very big, big or huge are the synonyms. Okay, you can write. Okay, the list I have here is not the comprehensive. You have to be aware of that one. Okay, and I'm not saying that. Okay, you have to write only this. There is several other possibilities of synonyms and antonyms. You can write any of them. Okay, just I am giving for a reference. Okay, if any student is very good at studying, will think of other possible synonyms and antonyms. Okay, he or she will not limit to one or two. Okay, immensely, huge or big are the synonyms, and antonym is small, tiny. Okay, okay, like that. See, now I have given only small here, but I said tiny also can be considered antonym for immensely. Next, integral. Cricket was not integral part of VVS Lakshman's family. That means not connected. Not connected. Integral. And antonym is a supplementary. Next, crucial. The synonym is essential. Antonym, unimportant. Emerge. Emerge means appear, suddenly appear. Antonym is vanish, disappear. Okay, you can write. Just not. I want to remind you that. Okay, you need not limit yourself. This one antonym or one synonym or two. There are several antonyms and synonyms, so you can think of the possible antonyms and synonyms. Giant. Okay, giant means jumbo. Power, a man of a great power and strength. Okay, the antonym for this is a dwarf. Okay, so this is very important from the examination point of view. So please, okay, learn them and remember. And when asked in the examination, you can just answer the questions. Okay, there are two more words. Embarrass. Embarrass. Synonym is discomfort, and antonym is a comfort or a gladden. Next, floored. Okay, this was the word. Okay, it did not come in synonym. I mean, in the glossary usage table. Okay, because he feels guilty when the chance of catching a ball is floored. That means lowered, missed. Okay, antonym is raised. Okay, so thank you. That is the end of a presentation on antonyms and synonyms that that occurred in VVS Lakshman, very special. Moving on. Next one is a question answers. Question answers. Okay, there are luckily there are only two questions here. And what is Lakshman's philosophy of life? As per the interview you have read. Very simple question, because this is how lesson opened. To treat success and failure on the same wavelength is the philosophy of VVS Lakshman. Okay, so just to write it a complete answer. Okay, this is how you can write. Treating success and failure on the same wavelength is Lakshman's philosophy of life. Okay, is missing here. Is Lakshman's philosophy wavelength? Okay, the word is okay, so wrongly spelled here. Okay, okay, right. Treating success and failure on the same wavelength is Lakshman's philosophy of life, as per the interview I read. Okay, that's the answer. And the second question: what role did Lakshman play in making India number one Test cricket team? We have come across uh, the contribution made by VVS Lakshman in the interview we have read. What role did Lakshman play? Okay, just don't depend on the answer I have given you here. Actually, this kind of giving answer may be damaging, but still, just for the reference I give you. Wow, if we had this physical classes, I would have made you do this work. But okay, but still you can habituate yourself or make yourself just trouble yourself a little bit to think of answers. What role did Lakshman play in making India number one Test cricket team? Okay, Lakshman played an important role. What role? Important role. Okay, in making India a number one Test cricket team. How? Okay, he was a star batsman and was part of fabulous batting lineup. Another contribution or another thing that he did to make India a number one Test cricket team is he performed consistently. And okay, the most important point of his contribution to make India as a number one team is scoring 281 runs against Australia. So, okay, these are the contributions of VVS Lakshman. Okay, right. Those are the answers of VVS Lakshman, very, very special. And let's move on. On the basis of your reading of VVS Lakshman's interview with the Sports Star magazine, complete the following table. Okay. Home ground. Home ground means the place where he belongs. Hyderabad. That must be your response. Teams he represented. Okay, he represented the Hyderabad team. Hyderabad Cricket Association. He was part of Hyderabad Cricket Association. He was selected, and afterwards he was selected for the Indian team. So the teams he represented were India, okay, and Hyderabad. It is Hyderabad in state level, India in country level. Levels he played 16, 18, and 19. Okay, if you read through, you will understand. He played under 16. When he was a selector for under 16, and in the same year, he was he played under 19 level. Because of his batting, he was promoted. Right. People who influenced him, his parents, also his uncle Baba Mohan. He's a maternal uncle. Okay, yeah. I hope you have seen that video clip of retirement, announcement of retirement. Okay, in our video there was no audio, so we could not listen properly. Right. Next, things he likes or his hobbies. Reading books. What kind of books? Biographies of successful individuals. And watching sporting events and reality shows in on TV. Those were his hobbies. And I like to spend time with the family members. Also, is that one okay? But we don't need those many. Just this brief information is enough. Actually, this is a profile of VVS Lakshman. This is a profile of VVS Lakshman. Next, memorable events. Okay, you know it perhaps. Scoring 281 runs against Australia. His message. Okay, message you can write too. Okay, I'm not saying this alone should be written and others are wrong. Be balanced. Okay, that is his message. Be balanced whatever happens. Very happy, sad, win or lose, you have to be balanced. And another message, I have just put it, treat success and failure on the same wavelength or equally is the message. Right. Okay, next move on to the next academic standard, that is writing. Okay, whatever comes under writing is a part of discourses. Okay, this is not specifically any discourse, but okay, this kind of writing will help you. You write discourses very well. Right. Write your views and reflections on VVS Lakshman. Okay, maybe this is similar to narrative, which is the discourse, major discourse. Write your views and the reflections on VVS Lakshman in about 100 to 120 words. Discuss the following questions in groups before writing individually. Okay, that group discussion will help you a lot in forming an idea. That's why group discussion. Okay, it is now not possible, but since you're not there, I can help you with. Okay, what is the main idea that you want to or wish to project about VVS Lakshman? Okay, see what idea means. What main idea you want to project? See, for example, okay, he was cricketer, a very good cricketer. That is one point. Maybe you can focus on that. Okay, good cricketer. Right. And the second point that you can think of is that is a family man. He loves his family. Family loving man. Second point. And okay, since there is no space, I cannot type it, but I can discuss with you. He's a good cricketer, family man, and he's a good human being too. Because he's a man with values. Okay, he knows how to be balanced in through thick and thin, difficult times. Thick and thin means difficult times. Okay, so of these three, you can now focus on anyone and uh, develop a write up, develop a narrative, or develop write reflections on VVS Lakshman. Okay, then what are the supporting ideas that you think of? See, if you say that he's a good cricketer, okay, how do you support? Okay, you have in the lesson, he scored, he plays consistently, he scored 281 runs against Australia, and also he made India number one test cricket team. Okay, okay, those are supporting ideas. If you say that he was a good cricketer. Next, if you say family man, what are your supporting ideas? Okay, supporting ideas are there. He loves to spend time with his kids and family. Okay, all that. If you read through, you will be able to understand. Okay, next point. How do you organize your ideas into paragraphs? Because if you don't write in paragraphs, what you write can be completely okay. Does not make any point. So it should be uh, written in paragraphs. Next, how do you link your thoughts? How do you link your thoughts? You have developed, you want to, you have a thought of some points about how do you link. So, okay, good cricketer. Just are you going to write one paragraph may not be enough. I gave you for reference. Okay, you may not. Okay, you may not stick to this. You can focus on any point you wish to project. Right. Okay, whatever the point you take, link the thoughts about that point. How do you conclude? For any write-up, if the conclusion is not there, that becomes meaningless. That must be indicated with a conclusion. Okay, uh, that is the end of discussion on writing part. Another important, okay, so far from any unit we have finished, I did not give you any project work for completion because it's not possible going around. Okay, but this project work is very important from the examination point of view. This is a profile writing, and the project work given is a profile writing, is a minor discourse in a paper 2. Minor discourse is a 5 marks. Okay, let me simplify it. To the information from our newspapers, magazines, periodicals, and books, or from internet about two famous Indian sports person. It is unlike the project work of two famous sporting personalities from India. Not that one. Okay, so this is world famous sporting personalities. Not that one. This is a Indian. Okay, Indian sports persons. Remember, famous Indian sports person. They need not be world famous. And collect information about the two famous Indian sports person and prepare their profiles. See, so profile writing is very very important. And this is also this is minor discourse. You have to learn to write profile. Fill the details of the following information and you may use them as a tips for a profile writing and speaking. Okay, speaking you will not do, but you will write. Okay, name. Say for example, name of a sporting personality, Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, maybe you can write next the date of birth. The date, April 24, 1973. State team he represents, Maharashtra and India. Sports games he associated with, cricket. Debut. Okay, just you have to find out. Debut means first entry. That means the match that he played first. Next, best in the career. Okay, in his cricketing career, what is the best match he played? Hobbies, awards. Okay, taking these points as tips, you have to write a brief information. I mean, in a paragraph or two, you have to write about that one. Collect the information about the two Indian sports person and write their profile. Remember, okay, okay, I'm not asking you to do this as a project work, but this is a part of a discourse teaching. Okay, so you must learn to write the profile. After filling these points, blanks, write a paragraph or two about the two Indian sports person. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed listening to the video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.